The federal prison system's institutions are divided into 5 categories: minimum, low, medium, high, and administrative. About 15% of inmates are housed in minimum security institutions, commonly called federal prison camps. These camps have dormitory and room housing, a low staff-to-inmate ratio, and limited or no perimeter fencing. These institutions are work and program-oriented. How do you get into one? The Bureau of Prisons Designation and Computation Center will evaluate your judgment order and pre-sentence report, scoring you based upon court-ordered recommendation, voluntary surrender status, severity of current offense, criminal history category, history of violence, history of escape, detainers, age, education level, and drug or alcohol abuse within the past 5 years. Most of these factors raise your score, but a court order permitting you to voluntarily surrender to the designated institution can lower your score by 3 points. That factor alone can sometimes make the difference between going to a camp and going to a low-security institution. Next, public safety factors are considered. Some white-collar offenders who would otherwise be camp eligible will be assigned to a low-security facility if it is documented in their pre-sentence report that they used a telephone to further or promote criminal activities. A male offender with more than 10 years to be served will be housed in at least a low-security facility.